We received a call for a resident stating that their dining room light fixture is not working, so we're going to go ahead and send a technician out there to diagnose the problem. Our technician is going to troubleshoot the call for the dining room light not working. Our technicians go ahead and remove the cover plate. He's going ahead and take off the switch, removing the two screws. Please keep in mind that this still could have power to it. All right, our technician is now going to do a test with his multimeter. We have power coming to the switch. Flip the switch. But we show no power going to the light fixture. So that determines that the switch is bad. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the breaker panel and do a lockout tag out on that breaker. Our technician now is at our service panel, and he identified what breaker it was, and he's going ahead and turn it off. And he's going ahead and put a lockout tag out for that circuit. The technician is now going to check to make sure we don't have power at the switch and determine we don't, so we'll go ahead and replace this bad switch. Technician now is going to go ahead and remove the bad switch by removing one pole. And then the other pole coming in. And then the ground wire. Okay, the technician is now going to install the new light switch. He's going ahead and connect one wire to the one set screw, making sure that the screws tightly, and then the second wire to the set screw. Also make sure you torque down, make sure it's good and tight. Also make sure the loop is going in the direction of the set screw that it turns. That way when you tighten the screw, it doesn't unwind. Also now he's doing the ground, and follow the same steps. Make sure it's good and tight. Okay, technician is now going ahead and put the switch back into the wall. Making sure that the wires are going in there straight and not binding in any way. Go ahead and he tightens up one screw. Keep in mind not to over tighten. And then the bottom screw to the switch. Our technician has now replaced the switch, and we've removed the lockout tag out, and that's how you replace a bad switch.